we're doing a test bench because I'm doing a lot of testing on a lot of systems in here, and I put this MSI motherboard in here because I got a lot of space to grow and do stuff, and I bought this testing station. We are gonna test this. We're gonna set this up right here, but right now, before we do that, we're gonna actually screw in the stuff that we need to, and that's these right here. There's two sides of them, the thicker side and the thin side. Thin side goes in first. So put these in there. And then we're gonna put them all around. Memory wise, I only have maybe 16. I think it's 32 gigs on this one. Wait a minute, this is wrong. Oh no, that's right, that's right. Yeah, that's it. And then this one here. How's your day going today? I'm missing one. Oh, where is it? I had them all here. What happened to it? Oh my god. Did I lose it? Wait. It was right here. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. I hear it. What the? Oh, come on. I had them all here. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing one. So let me check my bag I had here. Static. Oh, here it is. Static bag. I swear I got them all out. Oh. What in the world? I swear I thought I didn't. Oh, it's on the floor. Woo! It's very late. All right. How you guys doing? Let me see. Thank you guys for joining today. We're actually in my messy garage in here, but it's a nice day today. We're in California here. Not to brag, but the weather has been, for winter, it's been really good. So, upcoming CES, we're going to do live streaming on CES, all right, on the floor. And also, we're going to do after CES show to content, all right, content to catch up. And if you guys wanted me to see something like robotics or AI or anything pretty much in particular, oh, this is backwards. That's what it's. Anything you guys want me to see in particular or monitor, just let me know. Hit me up. I mean, those are the things that we're going to be looking for right now. Do because of it's coming up fast. I got to be quick. So we already booked since last year our hotel. I'm just going to mock it right now. And we're ready to go. I mean, we started planning since the beginning of the year, since last year when the show was over, we're able to plan it. So right now, I'm just testing it out right now. I'm just testing it out because I still need to tie these up. But when I put in the actual thermal, it's gonna go down slowly. Go here. I might lift it up a couple times. I'm just mocking it right now. And lifting. This is gonna be the hard part right here. Mocking it. I'm just mocking it right now so we can see how it's gonna look like. Always mock your stuff up. Make sure that you're not missing any screws or anything. And that should be it. So, but for some reason, it's not hitting the screw. Maybe I did them backwards. Let's find out. I'm not planning to do an instruction. Yeah, I did it backwards. Damn it. So it's supposed to hit like this. All right, just flip the screws over. That's all you got to do. That's why we mock these things. Every time you do anything expensive that you're doing, Always mock everything. Like run it through. That's what you got to do every time, especially when you spend money. It's right now memory. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Let me see. Memory right now. Let me see. Who wrote something? So just to let you guys know, I sold these already. All right. This is this is 96 gigs of memory that we have right here. I sold these and I bought a new system for it with memory, right? So it's just ridiculous amount of money that you could buy. It's like I had this is DDR4, it's not even DDR5. So right now memory is just incredibly high. Just very expensive right now, memory as it is. So I gotta turn these two, this one too. It's just ridiculous amount of money that the memory is going for right now. I bought memory of DDR5 in September, I believe, in September, and I spent $150. It is worth almost $400. I think I'm gonna start a memory company. That's what you need to do now these days. But having the technology is very difficult. Um, I think the U.S. needs to build a company here so we could sustain our own selves with memory. Right now, they are building factories, but it's going to take some time. And as factories close, others open. Car chase? You think it's a car chase? I hear it, police. All right, mock it up again. So what you want to do is mock it up, right? That side first, because once we drop it, then we grab one of these just to mock it up, just to mock it, before we even put the cement. And yeah, that's gonna fit. All right, so we're ready for the cement, the grease, thermal grease, right? So this is a CPU is about Ryzen 9 5900X, which is a pretty good one. So we're gonna use this one right here. I think it still has some. Yeah. See how much. So I do crosses all the time. Ooh, just made it. And then I just put the rest of it there too. It's not too much on this one. And that's it. This is garbage now. I was putting one of the. All right, so that's done. We're ready to mount this. We mocked it already, and we're gonna put the fan blowing in right now because it's an open case. I don't really care how it blows. So I'm gonna start from the edge first. That edge on that end first. And then we're getting ready to drop and touch contact, and I'm guiding it, and that's it. So it made contact with the whole unit. Now it's time to tie the whole thing up. So we're gonna do a cross tie, all right? Yeah, it's a police chase right now. I hear the ghetto bird. So I'm gonna tie these up first, across from each other. I'm gonna stop once in a while if you guys have any questions on stuff like this or prices or let me see. First question, everybody saying hi, how you guys doing? More can attract viewers. Okay, that's something else. Okay, that's let me see the other ones. Nobody's posting on the other side. It's okay. Nobody loves me on the other one. I'm also doing a YouTube stream too. That's why we're doing double whammy here. So we did a cross on each other. I'm gonna finish it up now that I mocked it there. And then I'm gonna tie the center ones too. First, just make sure that these are nice and tight. Don't do too tight because if you ever have to take them off, and you don't have the tools, you can always do it without the tools. These are hand tied, so don't overdo it sometimes. And because it's still loose, we're gonna do the two sides. So this meaning that we're gonna do this side here, and then we're gonna do that side too. So we're gonna do this side first, this side, so you guys can see it. Because it's loose, okay, there it is. So I'm gonna push it down on this one because it has a spring, and that's how much it went. So this one, you're gonna need a tool to take it off because it's doing pressure on the CPU until it hits, and that's it. So test wise, you got to make sure that it's not moving. Well, you can't do this on a computer, but myself, I could do it here. Dusty machine. Actually, I salvaged another computer just to take this off because I need a test bench. All right, so we got everything there. Now, we're not going to put the fan yet. Well, actually, yeah, let's put the fan. This is the fan. And this is going to, it tells you the fans, when you buy something like this, the fans tell you with little arrows, in and out, right? Blowing in, it's going to go that way. So we're going to mock up air out, coming in from the front. So your front of the computer will be here. This is going to blow in, all right? So make sure you strategize how you're going to set this fan up, all right? On this one, it's going to be a simple one because we could just plug it in the fan. But when you're mocking it up, you also want to make sure that you have access to set up the fans in different rotations, right? So there's a box with it that came with it. If I can find it, oh, here it is. And we're going to set this one up, blowing in and blowing back. I don't need a second fan in here. This only came one fan. When you buy this, it comes with one fan only, right? That's why it's so cheap and inexpensive if you're ever going to build something like that. Now, on this one right here, because we're blowing in air, like I mentioned, I'm going to have this facing up. If I ever want to change it, reorganize it, I could do that. So the way you do this, there's a little clip, all right? I go maybe underneath the, no, hold on. It's going to go underneath here. I'm strategizing because it needs to grab on and the cable needs to be loose enough. No, dogs allowed. Go over there, dog. You're going to knock my cameras down. Dog wanted to come in here. The chocolate lab and the other one's a golden retriever, but they're just traviesos. That's what they are. Right now they tell me they want to go home. They're home bodies, you know, and it's just, so it's going to go like this. And when you're mocking it, make sure you have enough elevation so your memory won't hit, all right? That's very important. So we're just going to plug it right here, but we're still going to do the other side. On the other side, I don't have no cables to worry about, so the hooks just grab on. I don't have a monitor set up so I can see your comments. I'm sorry, but I will hit you guys up right now. I'm going to stop in a bit. And just set this up. So on this one here, it clips on here in the back. You see that? It clips right here. You push it back. And then if you make a mistake, it's fine. You can always take them off. And they grab onto the radiator. This is a radiator. So move it up a little bit. So I have a little clearance. I mean like maybe half an inch of clearance in there. And then because I don't want to let loose cable, there's two fan connection. You could do the CPU or regular fan, but it doesn't matter. Now, when you're building something like this, it's always best to set one of these fans into your main power source if you don't have any lights or anything like that. So because fans always fail. Sometimes there's failure on the actual pins or something happens. But it's one of those things that I've done sometimes when I'm building machines for myself. I do that. Now we're gonna move on to the next phase of build. And that means we're gonna set up the power. Get a couple of things out of here first. We're gonna put the power to connect to get this started. So I want to boot it up today. I have OS already installed on it, so I just got a couple of screws out of here. And when you're building something like this, my recommendation is always get a magnetic screwdriver, right? This is a Milwaukee one. It's a really good one. I like it. It has a longer shaft. That's what she said. But I like that it comes with multiple heads. That's what she said. And then this is magnetic. You could. There's a smaller one too, but I didn't bring that one. And then the clicking. It's like the instead of spending those expensive one, it's on sale for $14. I'm not trying to sell anything or anything, but it was for $14. It's worth it. I mean, if you, every time I see something like this, I buy it, even though I have 3 or 4 of them. Look, I'm not lying to you. It's always something that catches you in the store. You walk out with something. It's like the shoppers in me that wants to buy this stuff. Cat's looking at me like, what are you doing? What are you talking to? All right, this one has 100 different pieces that we don't need. So minimize. We're gonna CPU stays, motherboard stays here. Actually, let me move these cables out. I don't want to. Okay, so SATA out. Another one out. VGA, too many VGAs. What's going on? We just need 1, 2. So I think we're gonna keep the first 2, and that's it. These gone. And these stay. Okay. I think we got everything. So let's test this out first, all right? Woo! So we get our little testing device here. Plug it in. Get our power. You can find it. Oh, here it is. All right. There's the power. All right. Power it. All right. Plug it in. So let's plug this guy in. But it might not turn on until I switch it on. Now, there it is. Turned on. Yeah, it's on. So we know that this one works. It's working, so we're going to turn it off now. Unplug it. And touch something else. All right. Now, round 3. Round 3. All right. CPU first. CPU goes in. I hate these CPU ones. They're difficult. All right. Round 3. That one's plugged. Yeah, now I can screw this one in too. Still gotta come and clean this. Oh, this one goes the other way. This way, fan in. Now, okay, I guess that 1,000 watts. I think there's lifetime warranty on them. I'll have to find out. Some of them have 1,000 lifetime warranty on these VGAs. Some of them don't. Some of them have like 10 years. Okay, this is not going to go anywhere. So, all right. VGA, motherboard. Let's do the motherboard first. Take the tester. Motherboard. There. Then we do the video card. on. All right, there it is. There. Go. Secondary. This way. All right. We got it in there now. Let's try it out. All right. Plug everything in. Plug everything in. All right. Card. All right. Power. Power. All right. Just here. Power this guy. All right. Now, turn it on. And then power comes on. Ooh, I think we're in business. I think we're in business now. So let's find out. This is a moment of truth. So power it up. Flash just came on because I have it plugged into one power source right now that's sharing. Like, I hear it. It's running. It's doing its cycle. This is an. It tells you if it has any errors. We're gonna find out right now. I think this is plugged. Did I plug in the monitor? I think I did. Oh, there it is. It's coming on. So we got a light show. Windows is coming up. This thing looks great. Look at that. Now you're gonna see my password. 11111111111. So, did I just disconnect it? Oh, there it is. All right. We're in business. So, test bench works very good. I got it up and running. I'm gonna do cable management because the fan is strong. Cable management, all this stuff. I want to minimize it, and I still do want to test this cable up too. But I'm gonna have to wait because I'm gonna have to minimize this cable. I have to definitely minimize the cable. Test bench is huge, but it is perfect for the stuff I'm gonna do. Let's see if I have online access. The Wi-Fi comes on, and it does. Okay, we're good. I think I had 2 Wi-Fi cards. I have to remove one. So that's pretty much it. I just want to show you guys the actual fan, but it turned into another circus where we had to activate different. Let's see the fan cooling system. Let's find out how much is it cooling. This Ryzen is running good. Let's see. Get rid of the audio. And I think I do have the cam. No, I don't. Recommendation is like get the cam. So it's free. NTXZ, I think it is it, or internet. I'm not gonna get it right. I'll get it later. But CPU, GPU, okay. We're at 4%. Not bad. This one has 12 cores, of course, and then memory wise, I think it's 32 on this one. Let me see. It tells you more information here. So we do have 96 gigs on this one. Damn, that's more than enough. So that's it. That's all she wrote, guys. It sounds like an echo. Oh, I guess it's because of my phone. All right, I'll let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this little build that we did. I made a mess. but I think this is it. That's it. In the stream right now. Yep. All right, guys. I'll let you guys go on the next one. We'll see how we can end this stream. There it is. And now.